Alright, let's talk like real investors for a minute. Everyone keeps asking the same question right now. Should I buy gold, silver, or crypto? And the honest answer is not either or. It's about positioning, because we're in a very specific kind of market cycle. Inflation pressures, uncertain interest rates, global tension, and rapid tech growth all happening at once. That changes how smart money moves. Let's break it down. First, gold. Gold isn't exciting. It doesn't 10x overnight. But that's not its job. Gold is protection. When currencies weaken, when uncertainty rises, gold holds value. That's why central banks keep buying it. It's not about getting rich. It's about not getting wiped out. Now silver. Silver is interesting. It's part precious metal, part industrial asset, used in solar panels, electronics, EVs. So when the economy grows, silver moves, and when inflation hits, it still has that safe asset perception, which means silver can give you more upside than gold, but with more volatility. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, crypto. Crypto is not just an asset, it's a new financial system being built in real time. High risk, yes. High volatility, absolutely, but also high potential because adoption is still growing. Institutions are entering. Technology is evolving. Crypto is where you go for growth, not safety. So what should you actually do? Here's how serious investors think. They don't bet everything on one asset. They balance risk, a simple framework, gold for stability, silver for growth and hedge, crypto for high risk, high reward, different roles, same portfolio. Now, I'm not telling you exact percentages because that depends on your risk tolerance. But I'll tell you this, if you're 100% in one asset, you're not investing, you're gambling. And in today's market, diversification isn't optional, it's survival. So instead of asking, which one should I buy? Ask a better question. How do I position myself for both protection and growth? Because the people who win in uncertain times aren't the ones chasing hype. They're the ones who build balanced, intelligent exposure. And that's how you play the game long term.